Hello guys, Civic Wanderlust lusting specifically for Shibuya Sky. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to grab a coveted time slot for these astonishing sunset views around Tokyo. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to secure your perfect Shibuya Sky experience, so stick around. I understand your anxiety, as it was a nerve-wracking experience for me too. I only had one day to visit Shibuya Sky before heading off to my next adventure in Japan. Guide on that next adventure will be up soon, don't forget to subscribe. Shibuya Sky reservations are released exactly at 12 AM JST, GMT +9, 1 month in advance. Tickets are 2,200 yen, 14 United States dollars, for adults and 1,700 yen, 11 United States dollars, for junior, high school students. I highly recommend using the official website for your reservation. The Klook system has delay, and would suggest it for non-peak hours. A key tip before booking: check the sunset time for the date you plan to visit. For example, on December 19, 2024, the sunset is at 4:30 PM JST, GMT +9. Your goal is to secure a 20-minute time slot between 3:20 PM and 4:40 PM JST, which is prime sunset time, the golden hour. Make sure to sign up for a WebKit account. Refresh the link at 12 AM JST, GMT +9. It's totally normal for the site to experience heavy traffic around this time, since golden hour slots are in high demand. Here's a pro tip: open multiple tabs and refresh them until one goes through. Once you're in, solve the captcha and agree to the terms. Scroll down, click the next month, and select your date. Be quick. The blue triangle symbol means only a few left, and these slots tend to go fast. Pick your preferred 20-minute time slot and proceed to check out immediately. Here are some potential issues you may face. 1. Even if a time slot says only a few left, stock has run out by the time you reach the next page. 2. You may also experience insufficient tickets, meaning time slot is fully allotted. After hitting proceed to checkout, you'll face a 15-minute cart hold. Here's the trick: check out as fast as possible. I'm not sure if the cart hold will even work if the stock is exhausted or due to insufficient tickets. Upon taking the W, you will receive the order confirmation via email registered to WebKit account. You can access the order confirmation on WebKit as well. Scan the QR code in the email attachment upon arrival and enjoy the stunning view. Drop any questions in the comments below. If you managed to score your tickets and visited Shibuya Sky, share your journey with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming travel guides, tips and tricks. Happy travels!